latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In a shocking development, the Russian government's opposition leader Alexei Navalny is critical and is on ventilator support at a hospital in Siberia. According to Alexei Navalny's spokesperson, the opposition leader slipped into a coma after drinking a cup of tea. He was flying from Siberia to Moscow after a work trip to Tomsk when his plane made an emergency landing after he fell ill. He is now in grave condition in the intensive care unit for toxicology patients in Emergency Hospital Number 1 in the Siberian city of Omsk. Alexei Navalny is believed to be a fierce critic of President Vladimir Putin. The spokesperson further stated that the opposition leader was poisoned. "We think that Alexei was poisoned with something mixed in his tea. That was the only thing he drank in the morning. Doctors say the poison was quickly absorbed through the hot liquid." However, the deputy head physician of the hospital stated that it is not clear whether Navalny had been poisoned or not. It was not certain Mr. Navalny had been poisoned, although natural poisoning was one of the diagnoses being considered. Mr. Navalny was in a stable and serious condition but did not comment on the threat to his life. One of the passengers who was traveling in the same flight stated that the opposition leader was writhing in pain while he was on board the flight. At the start of the flight, he went to the toilet and didn't come back. He started feeling really sick. They struggled to bring him round and he was screaming in pain. Russia's opposition leader is popularly known for exposing official corruption and labeling Putin's United Russia as the party of crooks and thieves. He attempted to stand in the 2018 presidential race but was suspended because of previous fraud cases. Incidentally, Navalny was also given a 30-day jail term in July 2019 for staging unauthorized protests. This is not the first incident where Navalny's life was in grave danger. According to Yarmish, Navalny suffered an acute allergic reaction under mysterious circumstances. Last year, Navalny was rushed to a hospital from prison where he was serving a sentence following an administrative arrest with what his team said was suspected poisoning. Doctors said he had had a severe allergic attack and discharged him back to prison the following day. The first leader has been a target of multiple criminal probes. Even his anti-corruption foundation is regularly raided by police and investigators. Navalny's team is requesting Russia's investigative committee to probe the incident.